I love that.
So fun. Oh, Lisa Lessort, I love your color
you do?
selection
I
today.
like yours. Step Brothers.
Again. We should interview together. Wait.
Pam.
Is it Pan or Pan? Now we're just doing movie lines. So let's dive into the world of Temp-tations because Lisa Lessort is the Vice President of Merchandising and Broadcasting at Temp-tations. And when it comes to the world of Temp-tations, for the last 17 years, we have absolutely fallen in love with the versatility of the individual pieces, but then we've seen the artsy side of Temp-tations, and we know they're hand-painted and gorgeous, but this is a figural floral, and it's a 15 by 6 oval centerpiece bowl. Come on.
Look how pretty this is. And this silhouette is so popular that we have done this in 2 other patterns before.
Wow.
This is our 3rd pattern because you love it so much. It's that perfect, I believe it's 17 inches side to side.
Thank you.
But this is Figural Floral, so you're only going to see this at this time of the year, and this is where the description matches the product.
For sure.
It's Figural, which means it's all raised, it's textured, it's sculptural, and it's floral. So I'm showing you the hydrangea choice, and you see the pops in the blooms right there, literally. All embossed on the outside, gorgeous silhouette that goes all along the top that provides that scalloping, Mary. Helper handles on the side. I'm going to tip it so you can see. Even the helper handle has that gorgeous figural floral design. And all the colors are going to match back to no matter what you collect in Temp-tations because the Pantone colors are the same.
Oh, look at the hydrangea.
Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
Little pinks and blues and purples. And you know what? I want you to think of it this way. Old world green, your old world ocean fetty, your old world blue. All of your colors, floral lace colors, all of those are going to match it beautifully. So don't worry. Temp-tations is a family of color.
Yes.
And so if you have a color collection and you're looking for a little pop on the table, this is going to marry with your patterns so beautifully. So this is hydrangea.
This is hydrangea. I'm going to carry it with me as we go down to the front and show you the other pieces.
You're so good.
Because we're down to 3 left.
Oh.
And this will not be available again until 2020. So here's the hydrangea.
Okay.
Then look at the rose. Rose is a little bolder. And what I love about that is you get the pops of the reds. You have some mango colors in there, some salmon colors in there, and then what I love is that bold red in the inside.
I think so too.
Like Mother's Day, all day long for this. I just think this is a fantastic gift. And then the last color choice that we have is tulip, and that's going to be the marigolds, the blues, the pinks, the reds, and the inside of it, you can see that mauve, that beautiful dusty pink that pops out. So all you have to do literally is pick your favorite flavor, favorite flower.
Choose your favorite flavor too.
Yeah, that too.
You know what? It's only available this time of year, and I'm heading back to the oven.
Good. I'm going to go to the fridge.
That sounds
I'll
good.
meet you up there.
But when you take a look at this pattern and you think, well, it's awfully gorgeous, and Figural Florals, because that pattern is raised, can I still put it in the oven? We just proved yes.
Yes. Talk about versatility.
Ooh,
Nachos to crudité. That's versatile.
If we ever open a restaurant, can we open it that? Nachos to crudité. Yes.
And Mary, look how pretty. Everything you know and love about Temp-tations. So oven safe to 500, microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe. And when you think that over here in the nachos, we have options for how we want to bake, right?
Yeah,
but we're having some friends over Tuesday night just for some appetizers, and think, I could serve it in this, right? In this metal pan that we probably all have at home.
Sure.
Or I can serve it in this, and this is the game changer.
And now you're going to be on everybody's Instagram who's sitting on that table, because this is absolutely beautiful.
Pretty.
By the way, when you do post your Temp-tations, don't forget to hashtag TTPics.
Absolutely.
Because they will find your picture, and you might see it on our air here at QVC. Wouldn't that be awesome? You're over at your friend's house and your picture's up on QVC, and you're like, no big deal. I just blog on the weekends.
And you know, May 15th, we're going to be showing a lot of pictures.
Are you?
It's kind of a special day for us.
Interesting.
I don't know.
Hydrangea is very popular in the show, but can we talk about Ice Cream Sundae Mountain? Because I'm going to go get my skis and get right in there.
First of all, so pretty. The serving piece is so pretty, but freezer safe, oven safe, refrigerator safe. This is how you serve a dessert. Here, do you want, here?
I just wanted, if somebody could take a picture of their screen right now.
I love that.
And just post it to Facebook, that would be great. Thank you, because this is how much I love ice cream. And I would try, although I wouldn't get through this entire bowl too quickly, but wow,
Do you
that's
ever go
impressive.
to like diners and they have like the kitchen sink ice
Yeah.
cream bowl? That's what that is right
That looks
there.
like the ice cream Matterhorn right there.
It's awesome. And then right here, a crudité. So what's so great
Beautiful.
about stoneware as we're getting into the warmer months is that it will keep these vegetables nice and cold for you. So
point.
I just want you to feel that for me.
Let's see.
Yeah, so
It's a veggie boat now.
it's a veggie boat. That's exactly right. I could see putting sushi in here too, by the way.
Ooh.
But here's just a little tip. When you're putting cold things in here, put the empty bowl in the refrigerator or the freezer first and then fill it. And that
Good idea.
actually becomes like a thermal carrier for you. And then, of course, to your point, it matches back to everything you've been collecting in the Temp-tations
For
pattern.
sure. Okay, couple things. There is no reorder on
Yeah.
this. So I know I said that before, but it bears repeating. This is only available this time of year.
Yes.
Because when we talk about seasonal patterns, we talk about seasonal offerings from the world of Temp-tations, and when they sell out in that season, you won't see them again until the following year of the same season. So this is $33. We have 2 easy payments of $16.50, and there is no reorder. This is hand painted. It's 2-quart capacity. It's dishwasher safe, microwave safe, refrigerator safe, freezer safe, and oven safe up to 500 degrees, which is basically the sun. So when you look at your Temp-tations and you think, it sure is beautiful, don't let its beauty fool you. It is also rugged enough to handle our kitchens.
That's exactly right. And these are these seasonal pieces that are single pieces, easy to pop in and just add like a splash of color to your table. You know, as I'm looking at this, I'm looking for something for my downstairs powder room. You know, we just moved, right?
Yes.
And I'm thinking, how cute to wrap towels and layer them in here or put flameless candles. This is also home decor for you.
Totally.
So this is really an amazingly versatile
and
piece.
you know how I feel about my Piccolo Bernini fountain in my Temp-tations.
I actually love that. It's now you have to go to Mary's Instagram page and see what she did because that was ingenious, by the way.
Mary Nelson was talking about it on air yesterday. She's the DIY queen.
Oh.
I'm a little palpitational.
Oh.
That's exciting. Oh my gosh, Mary Nelson, thank you. And thank you too, Lisa Lessort. That's so kind. But this is hydrangea.
Yes.
So this is where you get the pinks and the blues
Yes.
and a little bit of purple in that beautiful green. 2 more choices down in front.
It. And when you're thinking about hydrangea, I want you to think about confetti, springfetti, blues,
Good call.
greens, the eggplant if you collect that.
Good call.
Next door to that is going to be rose. Now what I love about the rose, it's all textured, it's all dimensioned just like they all are, but the outside has that really soft with the salmons, the marigolds, and the reds, and then look at this pop of color.
We are most limited in that rose.
Is that right?
Yes, we are.
Won't see it again, if at all, until 2020. And then at the very end, remember all your stoneware platters at home. Why not plant some flowers in here?
Cute.
This is the tulip. Could you see putting some bulbs in there and bringing it as a housewarming gift?
That's really
Like
sweet.
so cute.
That's really sweet. We have more because I was talking about dinner on a board earlier,
Yes.
and we have that great cheese
I
board
love
coming up
this
in the
piece.
show. Love it
Yes.
too. And it's the first day ever on those 4 easy payments.
Oh.
If you wanted to shop early, which I know a lot of you are, you can find it on QVC.com. But as I mentioned, our recipe today in the show is a rosé margarita.
Oh, do you have a taste tester yet?
You can come on in
Don't
there.
you